Yes, the Ugandan Central Bank today held a town hall meeting in the city of Mbarara. The idea was to provide public understanding of how the financial regulatory activities of the bank impact on the country and the citizens' socio-economic life and living. Now let's get excerpts from some of the presentations by officials of the Central Bank and other officials.
Today marks a continuation of our open, collaborative journey with the people of Mbarara District and Mbarara City. This journey started in 2016 when the Bank of Uganda prioritized regional town hall meetings, and we have used such forums as a cornerstone for our strategic plan, emphasizing stakeholder engagement, fostering trust, and dispelling misconceptions about our work. So we are not just here to talk, but we are also here to listen to you. I will do a lot of listening and responding to your questions so that you understand what we do, and we live here when everybody has a good understanding of the expectations on the other. So your perspectives and experiences that will come through today are expected to shape our policies in our shared pursuit of socio-economic transformation for Uganda. Let me also mention that the Bank of Uganda's mission is very deeply intertwined with the well-being of every Ugandan. So we seek a solid foundation for our thriving economy, and our decisions, informed and guided by our interactions with you, aim to bring about enhanced understanding. So here we want to shed light on the Bank of Uganda's actions and their impact on your lives and well-being. Stronger communication. Here we aim to establish reliable channels between ourselves and you, the community, allowing for swift resolution of challenges. So you'll be hearing about some of the channels we use for resolving challenges that are to do with the financial sector. And thirdly, valuable feedback. Your insights are very essential as we continuously refine our work. And that's why we are not waiting for you at the headquarters. We have come right here to get those insights from you.
As you'll notice, our revised mission of promoting price stability and a sound financial system to support socio-economic transformation cannot be achieved without understanding the needs of our people that we serve and sharing our work to see how our work at the central bank impacts you. So let me, however, say a few things about Bank of Uganda and other works that we do beyond monetary policy. We have community development passion. We do mind so much about the society in which we operate. So beyond our core work, Bank of Uganda is dedicated to giving back to communities. And this is through our corporate social responsibility initiatives. And I happen to head that initiative of CSR. A case in point, those who recall, in 2019, we partnered with the Mbarara district leadership to renovate and equip the Wizwera Health Center for. That was in 2019 before COVID. And I'm told, actually we had an M&E, I'm told the number of patients, actually now they call them clients, the number of clients that visit that health center is enormous. So I think it was a good thing that we went that way. And it's not only in Mbarara that we have been. We have been in all the districts where the Bank of Uganda has a presence and beyond. And we are still doing that good work.
Bank of Uganda also looks at consumer protection and requires treatment of customers fairly. So if you come to us and you complain that a financial institution has mistreated you, we will listen, and we have a complaints handling desk at Bank of Uganda. Bank of Uganda also regularly inspects banks to ensure that there is professionality You remember there's one bank we have recently closed. Some of you might not know. I'll ask the question to one of you and you see. So we check if a bank has sufficient capital and liquidity. That's one of the roles of the bank. In the event of the bank not having those requirements, we call it a bank failure. We protect depositors. We work with the gentleman here who keeps your money. So we don't want to cook and also decide whether the food is sweet. We give it to him. Bank of Uganda also has a role it plays in the national payment systems. Mobile money? Yeah? So, byonna ebitongole bikola mobile money, Airtel, mobile money, MTN. If you're doing any business that is relating to money, remember, the National Payment Systems Act mandated Bank of Uganda to regulate and supervise. Why? Tetwagala muteke sente mu bintu ebitali bituufu. You remember this D3? You give me $1,000. After 2 weeks, I give you $2,000 or $200. Please question. I'm telling you, question. Omuntu agamba nti nina akantu kenkola nsobola okutransferinga sente. Ask them, where's your Bank of Uganda license? Payment systems link between buyers and sellers. So don't lose your money. These products are to all of you customers and available. All right? The SCF provides affordable medium and long-term funding for value-added agriculture products like agro-processing and grain trade to transform agriculture in the economy. The Uganda Development Bank, commercial banks, microfinance deposit taking and credit institutions are what we call participating financial institutions in giving out this agriculture credit facility. So, we as Bank of Uganda encourage these participating financial institutions to give out this agriculture credit facility of loans below market. I think the last I recorded, it was at 12%. As of September, the cumulative SCF disbursements totaled 840 billion. Abatute sente mu agriculture credit facility in the whole country totaled 840 billion, up from 21 billion in 2010. This is the most interesting part, and you should clap for yourself. The Western region received 162 billion, which was 22%. Well done in Mbarara and the Greater Western region. You also had the most beneficiaries, 1,493, which was almost 40% of those people. And the block allocation uptake was 10 billion. You've done so well.